Hello and welcome to Wellness Wednesdays, where we align our bodies and minds for optimal health and well-being. Today, we'll focus on boosting your winter vitality through chakra balancing. As the colder months approach, it's essential to maintain our energy levels and inner harmony. In this session, we'll guide you through a meditation designed to activate and balance your chakras, invigorating your spirit and enhancing your vitality during winter. And as we begin, find a comfortable seated position, either on a chair or on the floor, with your spine straight and your hands resting gently on your knees. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, feeling the cool winter air fill your lungs. As you exhale, release any tension you may be holding on to. Allow yourself to settle into the present moment, feeling the weight of your body connecting with the earth. Begin to notice the rhythm of your breath, the gentle rise and fall of your chest. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more grounded and centered. Today, we'll be focusing on balancing the chakras to boost your vitality, bringing warmth and energy into your being as we navigate the winter season. Let's start by visualizing a bright, warm light at the base of your spine, at your root chakra. This chakra is your foundation, your connection to the earth. In the winter months, it's common to feel ungrounded or sluggish. And as you breathe in, imagine this light growing stronger, a glowing red orb spinning and radiating warmth throughout your lower body. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more grounded, more secure. Let go of any feelings of instability or fear. And as the light brightens, repeat silently to yourself, I am safe, I am grounded, I am connected. Now bring your attention to the sacral chakra, just below your navel. This is your center of creativity and passion, often dimmed by the shorter, colder days of winter. Visualize a vibrant orange light glowing from this center. With each inhale, draw in energy that feeds this chakra, allowing it to expand and spin freely. Feel the warmth of this energy radiate outwards, igniting your sense of joy, creativity, and passion. Repeat to yourself, I am creative. I am joyful. I embrace the flow of life. Now focus on your solar plexus chakra, located in your upper abdomen. This is the seat of your personal power and confidence, your inner fire that keeps you motivated. Winter can sometimes dampen this fire, but now imagine a bright yellow light glowing here, like the sun on a cold winter's day. With every breath, fan the flames of your inner sun, feeling the warmth and strength it provides. Repeat silently to yourself, I am powerful. I am confident. I am strong. Now move your attention upwards to the heart chakra at the center of your chest. In the colder months, we may retreat inwards, sometimes creating barriers around our hearts. Imagine a green light as vibrant as spring leaves expanding from your heart. With each breath, feel this light grow and pulse, filling your entire chest with warmth and love. This energy not only warms you, but also radiates out to those around you. And gently repeat to yourself, I am love. I am compassion. I am open. Shift your focus now to the throat chakra, the center of communication and truth. Winter's silence can sometimes stifle your voice. Imagine a serene blue light at your throat, spinning and expanding with each breath. Feel the coolness of this energy soothe and clear your throat, opening the path for authentic expression. With each inhale, draw in the power to speak your truth and express your needs. Repeat to yourself, I am truth. I am expression. I am clarity. Now bring your attention to the third eye chakra, located between your eyebrows. This is your center of intuition and insight. In the winter months, when the world outside is quieter, it's the perfect time to turn inwards and connect with your inner wisdom. Visualize an indigo light glowing at your third eye, expanding with each breath. Allow this light to guide you, bringing clarity and insight into your life. and repeat silently in your mind, I am intuitive. I am insightful. I see clearly. Now, finally, direct your focus to the crown chakra at the top of your head. This chakra connects you to the divine and the universe, reminding you of your place in the greater whole. Imagine a brilliant white light shining down from above, entering your crown chakra and filling your entire being. With each breath, feel this light expand, connecting you to the infinite source of energy and wisdom. Repeat to yourself, I am connected. I am enlightened. I am one with all. Take a few moments now to feel all your chakras aligned and balanced, each glowing with its vibrant light, radiating warmth and vitality throughout your body. Breathe deeply, basking in this energy, allowing it to nourish and revitalize every cell in your body. And as you continue to breathe, feel yourself fully energized, fully alive, and ready to embrace the winter season with renewed vitality. And now, as we come to the end of the session, begin to bring your awareness back to your breath, feeling the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Notice the energy flowing through your body, the balanced alignment of your chakras. And when you're ready, slowly begin to move your fingers and toes, gently bringing movement back into your body. Take a final deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently open your eyes, returning to the present moment, carrying this sense of balance and vitality with you as you move through the rest of your day. Thank you for joining today's Wellness Wednesday session. Remember, maintaining balanced chakras is a powerful way to boost your vitality, especially during the winter months. Take this warmth and energy with you and feel free to return to this meditation whenever you need a little extra boost. And until we meet again, have a wonderful day, and may your week be filled with warmth, balance, and vitality.